Hello wonderful people, welcome to my channel. My name is MAAME and today I'm going to share with you Ghana meat pie recipe. Got here plain flour, baking powder, onion granules, got here nutmeg, salt, I've got here seasoning as well. You can use any seasoning of your choice. This is what I have at the moment. I'm using unsalted butter and lard. So I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. I'm going to use chopped onions, any seasoning of your choice, carrots and corned beef. So I'm going to mix everything up and then microwave it for about 2-3 minutes and allow it to cool down, and then use this for my pie filling. This is a very simple filling that I often use. So I'm going to mix all up into the microwave. Hello, thank you so much for watching the video, but I would like to give you some tips, the do's and don'ts about baking this kind of pie. Okay, so with using the lard, with the butter, the crust of the pie is very soft, very soft. Look at that. When I mean very soft, this is how it is. So when you are baking, be very delicate with it. And when you're also done, please allow your pie to cool down. These are the tips I'm going to give you. Allow it to cool down at room temperature before you touch it, because if not, everything, look at that. Look at what I'm talking about. So allow it to cool down at room temperature before you serve or you enjoy with your favorite drink, or hot or cold drink. And also it's very rich, very rich. Samik hadoya richer. Vantin baka chada richer and gasa chada de donu mudaw. It's good for pregnant women as well. Especially in a feeling within chifwa. Ega. Dead dough. So look at that. Very delicate. And it's delicious. This is one of my recipe, and I'll be sharing the other ones as well, because I have like various ways I make my pies, and this is one of them. Very delicate, very delicate. So I wanted to share with you so you understand. I'll be sharing the others, and then you make your choice from them. Well, be back at meat pie easy. I didn't know proper. Be independent. Be meat pie or to them. So you make your choice then. So I'm going to enjoy this with my favorite drink. So how it is. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that button and like.